Silly RPS people INC coat stance tango like Wahida Madhuri and Taboo. Cot and OPT join hands with oral transfer, and 10th is transfer ban clause. Holy Diwali and TBU makes it 13. Raper sends email, some of whom come under section 13 and section 14. At 16 hours same email bounced, and reached in Trotte and FPRI means failure of prior interest. At 17 hours it's time for direction for accumulation. At 18 and 19 hours time for medical care. First it's push P's BP high means perpetuity for the benefit of the public, and next is vaccine and injection means vested interest. Remember at 20 hours it's time of United Nations or UN. UN told Chandigarh and Gujarat PR will be given by West Bengal means unborn child gets property rights when born. And at 21 hours it's CC or contingent clause. Remember the phrase age event and SC, so section 22 is at certain age or transfer to members of a class who attain a particular age. Next is event means section 23 is related with event, transfer happening of a specified uncertain event. Like a house is transferred to a friend, but only if India wins the next World Cup. The transfer is dependent on this uncertain event, winning the World Cup, which may or may not happen. Section 24, link it with survival or transfer to persons who survive at an unspecified time. Like, a person leaves property to friends who survive after a jungle crossing. The transfer will only go to those friends who survive the jungle crossing, but the specific time of survival is not mentioned. And section 25 is about C for condition or conditional transfer. A father transfers a piece of land to his daughter, but only if she completes her college education. The transfer depends on her fulfilling the condition of graduating from college. Similarly, section 35 is doctrine of election, and section 43 is linked with transfer by unauthorized persons. Last, the section 53A is part performance.